Well, today I got to fix two machines. I actually got more than two machines, but two that I'm going to try to fix real quick here. But what I have is two Horizons, a door lock issue and a fill issue. Fill issue, either the bulb is plugged or the sensor is jacked up. I don't know. Let's go. All right, well, we're in here. The first thing I do is I check to see how many customers I got out there and what's going on. I got one. I got one guy. Bunch of dryers, so we're gonna be working on these machines right here. So, for good or bad, I'm gonna take you with. Let's see how this works. That's got something in it. How's it going? Fix this one. More than I should have. Show you how cheap these machines are. Show you how bad these machines are. That's what it should look like. Look at this. That's why they're not made to last. There we go. That one. So here we have a door lock issue. I already took the code out, but it's a door lock issue. And that one is overfilling, and that one someone opened while they had the door open before they had the door open when they hit run. So here's a door lock issue. We're going to fix this real quick. This is what happens. They get corroded on there. Wow. That's what soap does, it corrodes everything. You're in that sun. We're gonna get where you can see me now. This sun, I get you sun behind me, you can't see me. Soap gets in these dang joints and corrodes the hell out of everything. Robbie, did you leave your sock in the washer again? Stop doing that. Robbie's always leaving socks behind. I swear I should put anti-seize on this stuff. You see all this? You see this? That's hard water. I gotta come in and really clean them here. So then all I do is I take out this 5/16, if I can. They said this is all corroded. Then all you gotta do is take out these two star head screws. I hate to even show you this washer. There's so much soap on this thing. You just push this thing in, it'll pop down. Might want to turn the power off so you don't shock yourself. But you pull off the top two wires, and then you can get it out here where you can see it, and you can pull off that. Now this is a 2013. And you can tell by down here, it'll tell you what year, and I can feel how hot it is. The locking mechanism that locks this into place is all burnt up. I have a 2019 we're going to try. I took it out of a machine. I thought it was broke, but I don't think it was broke. So I put that one on there. Then you got to flip it around and flip it up. Oh, come on. Feel in here for those other spade connectors. I mean, nuts. I like a good shock every once in a while. It kind of keeps the heart pumping. Like I said, if you want, you can turn the power off. 110 ain't gonna kill me. It's the I think it's the amps that kill you. In the comments below, let me know. I think it's the amps that kill you, not the voltage. I want to say it's the amps. Let's vend it, see what she does. Now I could rapid vend this, but I'm not in the mood to sit and try to do all that. I'm not very good at it. I'll have to show you a video on that. Instead of putting money in, we can just vend this thing by pushing the rapid buttons or get into rapid mode. It's also how you can fast advance a machine. I'm lazy today. Like how the thumb, that always happens. People pick at that. It locked. That's what you want to see right there, is that little guy come on. And you don't want to have to slam that door. If you're slamming that door and having to get it to come on, it's broke. So this one's broke. You see there? You see that date code? See, that's the date code. And it's actually backwards because it's comes overseas. It's the day, the month, and then the year. All right, we fixed that one. Now we just got to fix that. Now we just got to reset. Let's see how our other two are doing over here. That one's almost done. Look at it spin. That's what you want. Those two, I'm going to take them completely out and put new shocks in and everything. There's 12. That one's got, look how much water that's got. That's what it should have there. See the difference? I mean, they're not the same part of their cycle, but they're pretty close. They're both in, so it's definitely out of whack. All right, be back in a minute here. Robbie, there's your sock. I just left it on the floor for you, okay? I get the question every once in a while why I take Horizons completely apart instead of selling them. It's because they have no resale value. So like here, I got a perfectly good sticker and a computer. I got one out there where someone started to peel the stickers. Once these stickers start to get a corner or something, kids, adults, homeless people, they'll pick at it. They just got to peel it off just to show you they can. So I save these because that sticker's probably 30 bucks, you know? And this will get me by for a while, and then I can buy another sticker. But honestly, my plan is just to get the Horizons to last a few more years, like maybe 3 or 4, and then I'm chucking them and I'm going to hard mounts. But that's why I save parts off of the other ones I have, because there's no resale. $200-300 bucks for a machine is nothing, and if it has a good motor, a good belt, a good computer like this, I mean, that's $200 worth right there. So a lot of people that have Horizons usually just get rid of them and junk them because they know they're only a 7-year machine. So that's why I do that. And see this one? I mean, look how bad that looks. You walk in here and you see all these washers and you see that sticker like that. People think you don't care. So we got to get this off. Now, if you didn't know, this key here is universal on all Horizons. Dryers and anything. Anything that has a soda pop key, we call it, they're all the same number. How do I know where all these go? Simple question. There's no way to mix them up. Once you do a few, you just kind of gets to be old habit. See how much better that looks? Now, it's programmed for $1.50, so I'm gonna have to reprogram it tonight. I'll show you how to do that. It's real simple. I just don't want to do it right now. Open up the control box and you shut it and hit some buttons and get in program mode. See, that's how much water you should have in a normal Horizon right there. Can you see that? Down below that drum, that's what you want. And this one's got the same problem. This one is overflowing too. Make sure this is locked up. I'm going to go ahead and head over to the other laundromat. I was having problems with that air conditioning that was installed. It wasn't working. It was freezing up. We think the unit outside was full of lint because we were dumb enough to put the condensing unit under the dryer vents coming out of the building. Somebody'd be like, well, don't you know better? I didn't think in 6 feet away it would pick up that much lint. But there's that much lint coming out that it's actually plugging it and causing it to overheat, causing it to freeze up. So what we got to do is, in the next couple of days, is basically change how the dryers vent right back there, which I was going to do anyway because I really don't like the setup.